Black Lives Matter.
All lives matter.
Black Lives Matter.
Where was that from 1619 to 1968?
Hey, come talk to him.
Come over here and talk. He doesn't want to talk.
Get in a wreck and I'm gonna laugh.
He doesn't want to talk to us. He saw me recording. I think he wanted to be more angry. Yeah.
What about yellow?
Harder for everyone else is right. It's fine.
He said, what about? What's up, Bob?
Oh, we're being recorded.
Who's yellow?
I guess he was being racist against himself. That's how dumb he is. What about yellow lives? How racist is that?
What does that even? Oh my gosh, that doesn't even make sense.
Like, reading comprehension in Weatherford ISD is just ridiculous. I know we graduated from there, but we all had to read a book when we left there because of the shit they taught us. I can remember telling the lady, my dad says that Columbus is a rapist. She told me, go out in the hall.
It'll make you really happy. I taught about Columbus being a racist this year.
Woo!
Whole thing.
My brother does invites every year during Black History Month.
Yeah.
He's taught at schools all over DFW where they call him in for.
Woo!
Can you look at us?
No.
She's pulled over my husband.
She pulled me over. And you know what she
She's
told me?
hardcore.
Next time
Don't be mad, Carl.
We love you! Do you know what she told me? Next time, make sure you have your CHL with you when you hand me your driver's license.
Oh.
I
Wow.
said, ma'am, I don't even have my gun in the car right now.
Yep.
Wow.
That's what she told me.
Y'all know how to make them make some gun laws? Get all the black people to start buying weapons.
Yeah.
They'll enact gun laws so damn fast, none of y'all will have guns. I'm about to give me one.
Yep.
That's when they regulated all those, when they marched to the Capitol. How quick did the NRA back all them gun laws?
Yep.
Did Shiggy send you the thing I found? They got an African American NRA, bro. Yeah. And it's huge.
Oh,
It's
wow.
really
I did
huge.
not know that. Yeah, they have African American NRA and it is huge.
Oh yeah, I think they actually
With Stone Mountain, Georgia. Did you
Yeah.
see them at Stone Mountain? You know that every town in Georgia shut down when all the black folks walked up there.
Oh my God.
Grandpa, come back. We love you.
They called the white supremacist out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, we get away from one of you funky bunkers.
Woo! Oh, that was nice. That was. He was like thumbs upping. Oh.
Because he didn't know what to do.
Oh.
He was like,
I'll screw you too.
Well, he didn't even like.
Wouldn't even
That was
wait.
weird.
we had some of them during the Alito March. The whole march, all 4.5 miles, he stayed right beside me.
Oh my gosh.
And so when they started yelling about the police, I was screaming in his ear. No justice, no peace. I was screaming in here. You want to stay by the only black people that's in this march? I'm gonna let you have
Ridiculous.
it. We couldn't even hear what you said.
Yeah. That girl is
You cracked your window a whole 2 inches and we couldn't even hear it.
because she's scared.
I wish you would say something.
Hey!
Yeah.
that's actually flammable.
Yeah. Yeah, Tony knows everybody.
Tony don't know him, me and Shiggy know him.
Yep.
We love you too.
Losers.
Oh. I know, right? Did you see? That's how I've been trying to balance mine this whole time.